Hello and welcome to the Business Analytics with Excel course offered by SimplyLearn. This video will give you an overview about the importance of analytics in business today, why it is in demand among a lot of organizations, and how you can effectively leverage Microsoft Excel for data analytics.
The results of 9 students for the math subject. Firstly, let's understand sort functionalities. In order to sort the values based on the CGPA in descending order, go to Data tab. The pop-up will appear. Under this, first select the CGPA column name, and then click on Sort, and click OK. It will sort the data, and give you the result like this. We can do the same on non-numeric columns, and multiple columns as well. Let us see how we can sort names in ascending order. Under the Sort by tab, select Name and Order as A to Z, and click OK. We will get the result in the sorted manner. Filter option allows us to choose any column we would like to filter the data on. Let us consider the same example. Now to filter the data, under Data tab, click on Filter. For example, we want to see the CGPAs that are greater than or equal to 4. So, we will choose the greater than or equal to option from the dropdown and then mention the number. In this case, it is 4.0. Then it will filter all data and give results in this order.